After banking with SoFi for almost 2 years, I've concluded that they have one of the best checking and savings accounts around, offering no account fees, high APY rates, a huge welcome bonus, and benefits that other banks don't offer. So today I want to do an updated review of the SoFi checking and savings account, where I'll go over everything it offers, the good and the bad, and much more to help you decide if this account is the right fit for you. So to begin with, the SoFi checking and savings account is a 2-in-1 account offered by SoFi, which is an online bank that also offers loans, investing options, one of the best 2% cashback credit cards in my opinion, and much more, all under one platform. The SoFi checking and savings account has no account fees, including no overdraft fees, minimum balance fees, monthly fees, and access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs from the Allpoint network, so you can find an ATM just about anywhere. When you compare that to big banks like Wells Fargo, which offer fewer ATMs and charge a $10 monthly fee if you don't have a minimum of $500 in your account or in qualifying direct deposits, you'll instantly realize how valuable SoFi is. On top of no fees, SoFi is currently offering 4.2% APY on their high-yield savings account when you set up direct deposit, and 1.2% APY on their checking account, which are some of the highest and most competitive rates right now. This means the money you deposit into these accounts will earn you interest, which SoFi credits to your account monthly, so you'll technically earn passive income on your money every single month. For example, at the current rates, $10,000 in the savings account will earn you $420 per year, which is $35 a month, or $120 in the checking account, which is $10 a month. Obviously, the more money you have in these accounts, the more you'll earn. This is mind-blowing because in general, major banks offer 0.01% APY on their checking and savings accounts, so the fact that you can earn 1.2% on your SoFi checking and 4.2% APY on your SoFi savings account is huge. Having said that, it's important to know that APY rates are subject to change and can go up or down at any time, which could affect your yearly earnings. Now, SoFi is also offering a welcome bonus of up to $250 when you set up direct deposit, and for a limited time, you can get an extra $25 when you deposit $10 by using my link in the description to sign up, which will increase your bonus to $275, so make sure to take advantage of that free money, peeps. You'd also be helping the channel out a lot. And if you're wondering whether your money will be protected in this account, the answer is yes, because this account is FDIC insured up to $250,000, and SoFi has partnered with other banks to offer up to $2 million of FDIC insurance completely for free. All you need to do is enroll in the program if you want the extra coverage, which means if anything were to happen to the bank, your money would be protected up to $2 million. If you didn't know, the standard FDIC insurance amount is $250,000, so the fact that SoFi is offering 8 times that amount is really good, especially with all the news going around about banks failing. You'll also get no-fee overdraft coverage up to $50 when you set up direct deposit, so if you overspend on your checking account, SoFi will cover you up to that amount with no fees. And if you don't want to set up direct deposit, you can opt into the standard overdraft protection and have SoFi automatically transfer money from your savings into your checking account to cover a transaction if you're running low on funds. But if you set up direct deposit, you can also get your paycheck up to 2 days earlier. So if you usually get paid on Fridays, you can get paid as early as Wednesday, which is pretty cool. Your checking account will also come with a cashback debit card where you'll be able to earn up to 15% cash back at local establishments. And it comes with additional benefits like MasterCard Airport Concierge Services, ID theft protection, purchase protection up to $1,000 per claim, extended warranty, digital wallet compatibility, and much more. Plus, SoFi offers an all-in-one mobile banking app where you can order checks online for free, add a joint account holder, make transfers and deposits, send money to friends, track your spending, monitor your credit score, and much more. On top of that, you can deposit cash at more than 90,000 retailers. But I do want to point out that although SoFi doesn't charge any fees, their retail partners charge a small fee to make cash deposits. So if you get paid in cash or usually make cash deposits, just be aware that you will be charged a small fee of up to $4.95 per deposit. So my suggestion would be to deposit cash into another bank account if you have one, and then transfer it into your SoFi accounts. That way you don't have to pay that small fee. You can also create sub-accounts known as vaults within your savings account for various savings goals like an emergency fund, a home purchase, traveling, taxes, or anything else you'd like. And what's cool is that the money in these vaults also earns interest. So as you save towards a goal, your money will also grow. Another cool thing about this platform is that SoFi is a legit bank as of February 2022. So although you'll be operating your account online, you're working with a certified bank. So as you can see, SoFi isn't holding back and offers a ton of great benefits in their checking and savings accounts, which is why I like it so much and many other people do as well. But outside of their checking and savings accounts, you can also benefit from various SoFi investing accounts, loans, insurance, and even the SoFi credit card, which is my favorite non-category spending card. It has no annual fee, gives you 2% unlimited cash back on all purchases, and offers benefits like cell phone protection, ID theft protection, no foreign transaction fees, and much more. I got approved for it with a $9,000 credit limit over a year ago, and I honestly have not stopped using it since because I love the simplicity of being able to earn 2% cash back on all my purchases everywhere I go. Plus, for a limited time, you can get 3% cash back on up to $12,000 in your first year if you set up direct deposit, plus a $50 sign-up bonus if you use my link in the description to sign up for the card. So if you want to learn more about this card and earn yourself a free $50, feel free to watch my most recent SoFi card review video and use the sign-up links below. Now the question is, should you bank with SoFi, and are their checking and savings accounts worth it? Well, if you're okay with a 2-in-1 checking and savings account and you're looking for one that offers no account fees, high APYs, a high sign-up bonus, FDIC insurance up to $2 million, ability to get paid up to 2 days early, overdraft protection, a debit card with benefits that earns cash back, and much more, then this account is a no-brainer. On the other hand, if you don't like online banks and you prefer your more traditional physical banks, then that's going to be a big problem because SoFi doesn't have any physical branches since their main focus is on online banking. Like I've said before, some people may or may not like full-service online banks, but because online banks don't have to pay for the cost and upkeep of physical branches, their overhead is much lower and those savings may get transferred to you, which is why they're able to offer higher interest rates, lower fees, and much better benefits than traditional banks can. Now, the only two cons about the SoFi checking and savings accounts I'd like to point out are that if you don't set up direct deposit, you'll earn a lower APY of 1.2% on your savings account, which is pretty low compared to other high-yield savings accounts. However, the 1.2% you earn from the SoFi checking account is very high, considering most checking accounts earn close to nothing. The second con is that when you deposit cash into your account, you're going to get charged a fee of up to $4.95 per deposit by the retailer. So if you frequently deposit cash, this might be an issue. However, earlier I explained how you can avoid having to pay that fee by using an external bank account. So this may not be an issue after all, but rather something to keep in mind if you're considering banking with SoFi. All in all, in my opinion, the pros completely outweigh the cons, and how you feel about online versus physical banking will ultimately determine your decision. But from my personal experience, I can tell you that once you bank online, you never go back. Believe me, you'll love it. No, but in all seriousness, I've been banking with SoFi for a while now, and I honestly think it's a great option for a lot of folks who are obviously okay with an online-only bank. Some other great online banks I personally use are Capital One and Discover, both of which offer no account fees and high APYs. So if you guys want to learn more about them, watch these other videos next. So there you have it, peeps. Let me know below how you feel about SoFi's checking and savings account. And if you guys made it this far into the video, comment the word SoFi so I know who my loyal besties are. Also, if you're interested in signing up for the SoFi checking and savings account, great credit card offers, or earning some extra cash back plus $30 after you spend $30 with Rakuten, make sure to check out the links in the description. It'll help my channel out like crazy. I love you guys. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. That way I never miss out on any future uploads. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to watch these other ones next. Okay, bye now.